surprise is yet to come. So wait for the villa. We should be done taking a video now first of all.
It's for my TikTok.
My TikTok. This is the reception. What a reception, na?
Right?
Check this out.
So chill.
Right?
Like you can just stay here.
You can take what?
You can just stay here.
What's the occasion?
Dude.
Why are you here?
Chill?
Chill? Just to chill?
Yes.
What the hell?
It's nice, you should have it.
Nah. We'll be going to the rooms now. My girl's busy answering first night questions.
Yeah.
You tell me, man, what are you doing, man? What is this? Why are we here? What do you think?
The color looks
What do you think? How do you feel? How do you feel?
Dude, this is so pretty.
Did you expect it?
No, it's so nice.
How's my selection? So come on, tell me.
I mean, you selected me, so...
That's cringe, bro.
No?
That's cringe.
No.
Look at this view, man. Amazing view. Private pool. This is the life.
Yes. Digging it.
So how's the hotel? How much would you rate it?
Dude, it's like 12 out of 10.
12 out of 10.
It has really cute interiors and like sexy spots.
2 floors also.
Right? And like separate place to like watch TV and chill.
Don't forget the plunge pool.
Gin, vodka, sparkling wine, white wine, red wine.
What are you looking at, man?
It's a snack bar. What do you want?
Huh? A gin would do.
There's Coke and shit.
Coke like strawberry. How much do you have to pay for Coke?
550
500?
pounds.
For which Coke? For this? Damn. Premium pricing. What did you say?
I said they're charging 1,500 for wine
Okay.
and 500 for Coke. Might as well just have wine.
Might as well, no?
Yeah.
Rami?
Jokes. It's a joke.
What is that, man?
It's cookies.
Dude, do you have to pay for that?
No, I don't think so.
It's free.
Let's find out.
How are you going to open it and find out if it's free or not?
See, I can just eat it.
How is it?
It's good.
Pretty good, no?
You want?
Yeah. What do you want, man, now? Tell. What do you want?
Just asking how much you paid for this.
Why do you care? It's a gift. Huh?
Now we're done. Seriously, it's 100,000?
Seriously, it's what?
100,000?
That's the normal rate. I got a discount. Blitz Media. No. There's a 50% discount.
Then, like,
I think it's more than 100,000. It's actually one night is 130,000.
and like we're staying for 2 nights.
Yep.
So that's like.
Honeymoon worthwhile, isn't it? Okay, say it. What is it?
Dude, I'm serious.
Chill, man.
For real?
Yeah. What, man?
You're joking, right?
No, I'm serious. Come on, you think all of this, downstairs, like the TV room, the plunge pool, how much do you think will come up to?
I don't know.
You think they're gonna give it for you for 30K?
No.
Then?
That's fucking expensive.
Yeah, so there's always a price to pay, so what to do? If you want the luxury, you gotta pay for it. Just because you're in your honeymoon doesn't mean you neglect your salah, Salah comes first. Like this. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. For people who say, don't vlog your honeymoon. If I don't vlog my honeymoon, how can I show you all this nice stuff? Look at this. Very nice decorations. Very nice girl over there. How the Malli? Throwback to last week's jet wing pool transition.